Hot news: thousands honor fallen p0lice officer as procession winds through Mobile streets. News. Mobile Mayor Sandy Stimpson pictured with Officer Sean Tudor in 2017. Mobile, Alabama. Walla thousands. Mobile Mayor Sandy Stimpson pictured with Officer Sean Tudor in 2017. For those who watched the procession, their message was the community stands with Mobile Police. With their hands on their hearts, those who turned out across Mobile on Monday were there to pay tribute to a fallen hero. It's horrible that things like this happen to bring a community together, but it shows there's still love in the community, said Miranda Cloak-Enner. They're out here to protect our community, and I just want to tell you, I think they do a great job, one man said. The somber procession was filled with emotion as Officer Tudor's brothers in blue made sure he safely got to the funeral home. To see all the support is just awesome, for Mobile to come together to show love for this family and the community, said LaTanya Matthews. We usually do this every time an officer is killed in the line of duty out of respect and to show law enforcement that we're here and we're behind them 100%, said another man. For many people, today was more than just honoring a fallen officer, it was about showing the younger generation to stand with police. We're in rough times, we just need to come together as a community, as a country, and it starts at a parental level, teaching the children, said Jeff Adams. Visitation will be 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. on Thursday, January 24th, at Dauphin Way Baptist Church in Mobile. There will be another visitation period at the church between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. on Friday. Funeral service, burial at Mobile Memorial Gardens will follow the funeral services. All content copyright 2019, Walla. Mobile, Al. Fox 10 News has learned more about slain Mobile Police officer, Sean Tudor. Even at his young, email notifications are only sent once a day, and only if there are new matching items. Your comment has been submitted. There was a problem reporting this.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.